How to using the mastering the numeric pad. When learning how to use a computer, properly using a keyboard plays a very large role. This is the main way you will be interacting with your computer, and you can perform a variety of functions using just the keyboard. First comes mastering the art of typing, a skill which can significantly enhance your productivity. See below to get started. Step 1. Open the calculator program. Using a calculator program is the best way to get used to the keys on the numeric pad. You can use the numeric pad keys to perform calculations in the calculator program. Step 2. Use numlock to toggle the numeric pad. When the numeric pad is not activated, the 8, 4, 6, and 2 keys will act as arrow keys. Press numlock to enable the keypad. Some laptop keyboards do not have a separate numeric pad. They often need to be activated using the FN key, which changes keyboard functions. Step 3. Find the home position. Like the main part of the keyboard, the numeric pad has a home position. On the 5 key, you will feel a raised bump similar to the F and J keys. Place your right middle finger on the 5 key, and then place your right index finger on the 4 key. Place your right ring finger on the 6 key, and your thumb on the 0 key. Your pinky rests on the Enter key. Step 4. Enter numbers. Use your fingers to press the number keys. You will see the numbers appear in the calculator program. Use repetition to memorize the number placement and which fingers you use to press them. Step 5. Perform calculations. Around the edge of the numeric pad, you will see the basic arithmetic keys. These let you divide, /, multiply, asterisk, subtract, and add, plus. Use these keys to perform a variety of calculations. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.